Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Microsoft Defender for Cloud with Azure permissions, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by signing in to the Azure portal. Navigate to the Microsoft Defender for Cloud section. Select the appropriate subscription you want to configure. Locate the Permissions tab within the Defender for Cloud settings. Click on Add to create new permissions for access. Choose the role that fits your organizational needs, such as security admin or security reader. Assign users, groups, or service principals to the selected role. Confirm the specific access levels required for those assigned roles. Proceed by clicking the Save button to apply your changes. Next, configure your Azure policy settings for Defender for Cloud. In the Azure portal, go to Policy under the main menu. Select Assignments from the Policy menu. Click plus Assign Policy to start a new configuration. Choose the appropriate policy definition related to Defender for Cloud. For example, select Encrypt Windows Virtual Machines or Audit Virtual Machine Backups. Configure the parameters as needed to enforce compliance. Assign the policy to the relevant subscription or resource group. Finally, review all settings and click Create to finalize the policy assignment. Once setup is complete, monitor the permissions and policy compliance periodically. This ensures that Microsoft Defender for Cloud is fully authorized with the necessary Azure permissions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.